In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the EA Play or EA app to Steam so you can use a PS4 controller with full Steam controller support. If you've ever tried launching EA games and noticed your DualShock 4 controller isn't detected properly, this simple trick using Steam can fix that problem. By adding the EA app as a non-Steam game, Steam can apply its controller configuration and make your PS4 controller work smoothly with EA titles. This method works for many EA games that normally don't support PlayStation controllers directly on PC. I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step so you can get it working in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu bar and click on the option labeled Games. A small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Add a non-Steam game to My Library. Steam will now open a window that scans your computer for installed programs. Scroll through this list and look for the EA app. In some cases, it may appear as EA app or EA desktop depending on your installation. Once you find it, simply check the box next to it. After selecting it, click the button at the bottom that says Add Selected Programs. This will add the EA app directly into your Steam library just like any other game. Now, the reason we do this is because Steam has built-in controller support that can translate PlayStation controller inputs into formats that most PC games understand. That means when you launch the EA app through Steam, Steam will manage your PS4 controller automatically. If you don't see the EA app listed in the program list, don't worry because you can add it manually. In the same window, click the Browse button. This will open your File Explorer. From here, navigate to the folder where the EA app is installed on your computer. In most cases, this will be inside Program Files under Electronic Arts or EA Desktop. Inside that folder, look for a file called eadesktop.exe. Select that file and click Open. Steam will now add it to the program list. Make sure the checkbox is selected and then click Add Selected Programs to add it to your Steam library. Next, we need to make sure your PS4 controller is properly configured in Steam. Connect your DualShock 4 wireless controller to your PC either using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Then, inside Steam, click Steam in the top left corner and choose Settings. In the Settings window, select Controller and then click General Controller Settings. Here you will see several controller support options. Make sure PlayStation configuration support is enabled. This allows Steam to recognize and configure your PS4 controller correctly. You can also test and calibrate your controller in this section if needed. Once everything is set up, go back to your Steam library and find the EA app that you added earlier. Click it and press play to launch it through Steam. When the EA app opens this way, Steam will remain active in the background and apply its controller support. Now, when you launch EA games from the EA app, your PS4 controller should work much more reliably. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the EA app to Steam and enabled PS4 controller support for your EA games. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.